Hello and welcome to another video. Good evening, goedenavond, dober večer, goedenavond. We are here in my car, and in this video I want to show you one of the most beautiful things about the car, but that is the most dirty and often overlooked, and that is actually the leather steering wheel of your car. You hold it all the time and it often doesn't get cleaned, and when it gets cleaned, often the right treatment afterwards is overlooked. So here very shortly I'll show you how I take care of my leather steering wheel and how afterwards I seal it and protect it from UV rays and prolong the longevity of it. Here we go. Enjoy the video. First thing I always do is I take these wet leather cleaning wipes, that you just rub all over the leather steering wheel, and that makes sure that you remove all the dirt, the fat and everything that's on there, and that makes the steering wheel really nice and clean before we're going to let it dry and then seal it and protect it. So let's clean the steering wheel. And you can buy these wipes in any store. They're very nice and wet, and they do a great job. So first pass, nice all around your steering wheel, also in between, well around. Also here, turn it around and do the other side. So, and especially where you hold it the most, which in my case would be here. These wipes are really good. If it is very dirty, I suggest you use another one, but since this hasn't been done too long ago. So, and then you go one more time, and then I'll show you. I'm not sure if you can see this, but you can already see that it's a bit colored, a bit black, so that really helps. Now we're going to let it dry for about 5 minutes, and then we'll continue with the fine leather treatment. Now for the next step, I'll show you my favorite product that I discovered from a German brand, Sonax. And this is a leather cleaner which protects it against aggressive UV rays, and also seals it and takes good care of the leather, makes it smooth and feeds the leather, so to say. You can buy this online, and you can apply it with a pad or with a microfiber towel. And the bottle lasts really long. You can also use it for the seats, but in this case we'll use it for the steering wheel. Make sure you shake the product well before you apply it, and then get your towel. So, and here's the towel, and now the key is to not use a lot. Just use a little bit, because else you'll make your steering wheel very fatty, and that's not good. So we're going to start with this. Put this back, and then this goes in tips, I would say, on the steering wheel. So, and then you just massage it in. So, and this stuff is really, it smells really pleasant also, not some chemical smell, I would say. Like a new sofa in a furniture store, it smells like. So that's pretty good. I'll do the other side. A couple of tips here. I always use too much of these things. That's really okay, but you get the point. Put it a bit underneath. You can see that immediately this steering wheel gets very smooth and has this really nice matte shine to it. And if you live somewhere really sunny, where the sun just burns on the car, or you have sweaty hands, and you just want to, come on, you have a nice car with leather seats and leather steering wheel, you have to take good care of it, and because that's the first place where wear and tear shows. And yeah, you can't smell it, but it smells really great. And as you can see, steering wheel looks very beautiful right now and shiny. Very nice matte color, and on the touch, incredibly smooth and soft. And yeah, where in the beginning it wasn't making this nice smooth sound, you could really see that there was still a lot of dirt on there. And now with this treatment, yeah, you've successfully cleaned your steering wheel, removed all the dirt, and you've sealed it and protected against UV rays. And because of that, you will be able to enjoy your steering wheel much longer and all the beautiful leather that comes with your car. How do you clean your leather in your car? Do you have any tips? Do you have experience using Sonax? I can highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the descriptions below. And I'll be looking forward to hearing from you, and have a great weekend. Bye.